The Deputy National Chairman Dalori, former Senate President Alhaji Ahmed Lanas, former Deputy. I
have caught my teeth politically as the first national chairman of the Social Democratic Party.
At this juncture, I want to respectfully.
These are the governors now.
The Secretary to the Government of the Federation, the Chief of Staff of Mr. President, Assembly members, traditional rulers, respected unique leadership in Nigeria to the point that every part of Nigeria is impacted by your policy. That demonstration to visit you, to celebrate and to thank you for that unique leadership. Professor Babagana Zulu to make a remark on behalf of the delegation.
To all that up, that come 2027, inshallah, the Northeast will massively deliver your ticket and all other APC candidates at all levels. We will do this not only because of what you have already done for the region, but because we believe in your leadership and share your vision of the future Nigeria you are building. Once again, Your Excellency, on behalf of the entire people of the Northeast, I thank you for your leadership, for your courage, and for your commitment to a united and prosperous Nigeria. We pray that Almighty Allah continues to guide, protect, and strengthen you as you continue to steer the affairs of this great nation in the next 5 years, inshallah. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
No, it's not me.
I've appointed a delegation.
You're leaving it to
No, I'm around until Monday. I'll see you. You talk to Zulu.
No. There's no need to. Absolutely. This is your man. I've said something.